Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an apron from the old jeans. This is an old jeans. First, I will use upper part of the back side of the jeans. As you know, the back side of the jeans has two pockets, and then it will look very good in apron. Now it's time to cut the side seams. Front part of the jeans I will not use in my apron. After that, I will remove the extra fabric. Please note that 1-inch seam will be left when removing the extra fabric from the side seams. Lower part of the apron has been cut. Now it's time to cut the upper part of the apron. For this, I take pant leg and open its side seams in order to make the top of the apron. I keep the both parts like this way and then take the measurement. After marking, I will remove the extra fabric. Now it's time to cut the armholes. Apron top cutting is ready. Now it's time to sew them. After cutting this, I'm going to cut the most important part of the apron. It's a neck hanging loop and long waist ties. In apron, there are two waist ties and both width and length should be same. So I am cutting 30 inches long and 3 inches wide waist tie. After cutting, I will divide this waist tie into two parts. Now it's time to cut the neck hanging loop. For this, I took 4 inches wide and 10 inches long strip. It's a straight strip. Now it's time to sew it like this way. The fabric lengthwise so it's inside out, so a straight line across the edges. Now pull the strip right side out, attach safety pin at one end and wave the pin through the inside of the tube and pull it out on the opposite end. Do the same thing with the waist tie also. Now it's time to sew the upper part and lower part of the apron together. After sewed the both parts, it look like this. Now it's time to sew the waist ties and the neck hanging loop. I sewed it, you can see that. I am applying this matching lace around the edges of my apron in order to prevent it from fraying. This lace will preserve the raw edges as well as give it an elegant look to my apron. Sew it like this way. Sew very carefully on waist ties and neck hanging loop. I sewed it. You can see that now it's time to fold it towards the wrong side and then sew it again. While sewing, keep in mind that a small part of the lace should be visible from the right side. So very carefully. I sewed it. You can see that it is completed and ready to use. I'm going to embellish it. It's an optional. If you don't want to embellish it, you can use it as it is. I am applying this jeans flower on top of the apron. For this I am using the fabric glue. I already made a video about this kind of jeans flower. Link I will mention in description. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link I'm going to mention in description. Take care. Bye bye.